I can help you to get massive discount on your JavaBurn coffee. You can get 2 pouches that's a 60 days supply for just $79 per pouch. Normally that is $394, but you will pay only $158 plus shipping. If you want to stock up a bit more, 3 pouches that's a 90 day supply are just $69 per pouch, normally $591, but you will only pay $207 plus shipping. And the best deal by far is 6 pouches, which is 180 day supply for only $49 per pouch. Normally that's $1,182, but you are getting it for just $94 plus free shipping. That's a saving of $888. Now here is the important part. You will only get this discount if you go through the link in the description. Click it and you will go straight to the JavaBurn official website where these discounts are waiting for you. And remember, this is a very limited time deal, so grab this as soon as possible. If this video help you to get the maximum discount, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.